about the 61 rotate list. The question is the rotate list, right? So yeah, the question is give the head of linked list, rotate the list to the right by k place. Okay, so for this one example, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, k is equal to 2, then we need to rotate like 4, 5. So it's kind of like we cut here. This is like tail, move to the head and move to the front. So let's see. So at the beginning we have some case like we need to check head if head is equal to none or head nest equal to none. K is equal to 0, right? So we can return the head immediately. Or int n is equal to from the 0. And then we need to check how many the current node has. So kind of like I need to for loop where cur is not equal to none, then we can cur equal to the current nest and n plus plus. Then I got this one, so k is equal to modify n, and then to check for the next one, k is modify yeah. So for example, like k is over current now, like n is should be the first one, it should be 5. And for now k is 2, modify n is 5 is still is 2. But if the k is k is 10, so it's quite different, right? So for now we have the k now and also have the length of this one, so I can figure out where I should cut. And cut is equal to the minus k. So for example here n should be 5 minus 2, it should be 3. So our 1, 2, 3, so cut is here. This is like a current here is it should move to the tail, and for the tail, and for this one it should move treat it as the head. So I also need to like prev equal to none, and also I need the cur is equal to head now. And what I say is 1, 2, 3, right? 4, 5. This one is prev and it is cur. This one is cur. So cur is moved to the next one. Prev is moving here. This one time, twice, 3 times. So cut 3 here, so it will stop here. So prev is means this one, right? And this one should point it to the none, and the current here should be like it will keep moving to find here to connect it to the head. So kind of like a purpose for this one. So wire the cur and then this is a for loop. Equal to then cur nest, and then for the cur is equal to the cur nest, and then we need to check the prev cur, yeah, cur. And then what should we do is need to cut. Okay, so this one is will stop here. Now I need get the pref nest is equal to none, and this one is means equal to none, and for here I need to check where the cur nest is not equal to none. We can return something, but for here we can see if the cart, right, if cart is equal to 0, so we actually return the head directly, and then cur is not equal to cur nest is not equal to none. It will stop at the last one here, so we're equal to the cur nest, and then cur should be the cur nest should be equal to the head, and return this one, right? So for current here I need to store the cur. This node new head equal to the cur. It should be returned the cur. Let's check. Okay, so here has some problem, like 4 is missing. New head should be 4, right? I'll return new head. Yeah, I see. There's maybe some case. Okay, for current here, cur is not equal to none. This task is to check. Okay, so this one it should be okay. So I think this one should be checked in the previous. White cur is should be none, so which means okay is equal to 0. If k is equal to 0, then we should return the head. Yep, it works now. We can submit again. Yeah, it works. And for the time complexity is kind of like just the for loop for here and for here. So it's no nested for loop. So time complexity will be the O(n). And I didn't create extra space, so the space complexity will be O(1). Yeah, thank you.